Good news! 100% grant of the 2024 Productivity Enhancement Incentive or PEI on December 15, 2024. Yes, friends, confirm po ito sa office po namin. Actually, November 29 pa po, last Friday, na-receive natin ang email message po. So, bakit alam po natin ito? Kasi po ako po yung admin officer ng office namin, sa branch po namin. Meron po instruction na i-comply for the grant of this bonus, no, or PEI sa amin, regular employees only. So ang pinagawa sa amin is certification and na-sign po ng branch head and list of names ng mga regular employees. So na-comply po natin ito, friends, last Friday. So 100% sure na po tayo na ma-release ito sa amin. Regular employees sa office po namin on December 15, 2024. Kasi po ang basis po nito is yung GCG CPCS Circular Number 2021-008 on the grant of the PEI. So nakalagay doon sa 4.1, the PEI of 5,000 shall be given to qualified officers and employees not earlier than December 15 of the current year, subject to the following conditions. So may dalawang conditions po yan. Opo, one of the conditions is the officer or employee remains in the government service as of November 30 of the current year. Second condition is the officer or employee has rendered at least a total or an aggregate of 4 months of at least satisfactory service as of November 30 of the current year, whether continuous or intermittent, including leaves of absences with pay. Ayan. So paano ito na December 15 is Sunday? I believe December 16 na po ang release. Monday. And onwards. Depende po yan sa office po ninyo or sa office natin. Basta po not earlier than December 15 of the current year. So in this case, December 15 is Sunday. Hindi pwede earlier. So most likely December 16 na po. Yan and onwards. Ayan po. So good news po ito sa lahat ng mga government employees na regular employees. Opo. Congratulations to all sa mga makareceive. Alright? Keep watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless. And 2 thumbs up.